Australia is an island nation surrounded by magnificent oceans and a marine environment that is the envy of the world. Parks Australia manages 60 marine parks in Commonwealth waters, which cover 3.5 million square kilometres, or 39% of our oceans. Our marine parks are unique habitats that are home to some of the world's most incredible wildlife. They protect natural, cultural and socio-economic values and recognise the strong connections to sea country by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities. They also support recreational experiences like diving, boating, snorkelling and fishing, while supporting jobs in those related industries. To create new opportunities to protect this remarkable marine environment, the Australian Government has committed $15 million over 4 years for partnerships in ocean discovery and restoration. This provides us with an exciting opportunity to work with partners to make groundbreaking science discoveries, protect our iconic threatened species, conduct vital research, and restore unique ecosystems. We know that many other groups, like businesses, research, philanthropic and non-government organisations, share our interest in protecting Australia's unique marine environment. We want to work together to achieve more for our oceans so they can endure for generations to come. If your organisation is interested in partnering with the Director of National Parks or the National Parks Conservation Trust through the Oceans Discovery and Restoration Program, please visit our website for more information.